And welcome, it's Recharger here again with another video with Yu-Gi-Oh. I've been waiting for these for a while because I pre-ordered them, and still they came like 2 weeks after the release date. So since my the shops I have well, the ones are near me which used to have Yu-Gi-Oh stuff now don't have anything related to Yu-Gi-Oh. So it takes me a while to get anything to open, but for these I was really excited and I just had to add them. So it's possible that I'm gonna do lesser videos on Yu-Gi-Oh, but we'll see how it goes in the future. So let's get into these babies. I'm aiming for since I collect cards by their art, I'm aiming for 13 cards in this set, for at least for my collection. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing all of the both the boxes in this one video. It's probably gonna be a two-parter. So, High Speed Droid Chanbara, Strike Ninja, Goddess Verdundi's Guidance. This is one of the cards I need. And Invoked Mekaba, that's good. Oh, and nice, Outer Entity Azathoth. Cool. Very weak secret rare. But okay, so I mean, as a secret rare, that's why I'm just putting those there because those are the cards I need for my collection. So that's how I'll know. At least I have at least one example of each. Also, I want to try to get all the Valkyries for to make a deck. Upstart Golden Ninja, Elemental Hero Magma Neos. Oh, nice. Goddess Gold's Oracles. 3. Elemental Heroes Neos and Wind Witch Ice Bell. Cool. Secret rare. Oh, nice. Valkyrie Zweite. Okay, that's another one there. So Mermail Abystus, or Regent Ritual Art, New Patient Flare Scarab, and oh nice, old entity. I think you call it Cthulhu or something like that. That goes there as well. Already 5 cards. Nice. Okay, Magic Planter, Upstart Golden Ninja, Mermail Abyss Megalo, Armor Ninjutsu Art of Alchemy, and oh, Dragonity Knight Vajrayana, I don't know. Okay, Omega Summon, Cyber Dark Impact, Mission Hero Trinity, Upstart Golden Ninja, and El Shadow Winda. Oh yeah, actually, I think I needed this one as well, so it's 14, sorry. I thought that I saw like I need 14, not 13, but okay, Ninjutsu Art of Super Transformation, Akashi Magician, Twilight Ninja Jogan, Neospatian Glomoth, and Alistair the Invoker. I already have that card, so actually, I'll think about that after the opening. So Mermail Abyss Megalo, Valkyrie Erste, I think. Okay, I don't have that one, so cool. So Goddess Gold's Oracle, Red Dragon Ninja. And oh, nice! Valkyrie's Brunhilde. Cool! I was actually saw some videos where the other people are opening, they don't get this card. Oh, yes! That's cool. Vision Hero Trinity. Oh, nice! Ash of Blossom. Cool. That was unexpected. So that's another card. Very cool. I'm gonna put that on the side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 4. Yeah, that's 8. So Golden Bamboo Sword, High Speed Rock Kadamba, and another Dragon Knight. So Armor Ninjutsu Art Alchemy. Oh, nice. Elemental Hero Chaos Neos. I needed this one. Cool. Mermail Abyssus. Mermail Abysslead. And Ninjutsu Art of Mirage Transformation. Wait, sorry. Okay. I have to start. Oops, sorry. Touch the camera accident. Ninjutsu stand still camera. Okay. Ninjutsu Art Transformation. Neospatian Glomos. Element Hero Neos. Armor Ninjutsu Art of Alchemy. And Hidden Village of Ninjutsu Arts. Oh, this looks interesting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a two-parter. Invoke Merkaba, the very first. Cool. Oh, nice. Invocation. Cool. This is a good card. Armor Ninjutsu Art of Rust Mist. Valkyrie Drite. Wait, is that the last one I need? Yes! I got all the Valkyries. At least one of each. That's cool. Forbidden Trapezohedron. Okay. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 4 more cards. Ninjutsu Art of Transformation, Magic Planter, White Dragon Ninja, Valkyrie Ersta, and Yellow Dragon Ninja. Interesting looking, nice art. So in Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo, Fortune Chariot. Did I have that one? Okay, now I have all the Valkyries. So White Dragon Ninja, Omega Summon, and Alistair the Invoker. It's Alistair or it's Alistair? How do you pronounce it correctly? I don't know. Come on. Okay, Red Dragon Ninja, Valkyrie Zweiti, Goddess Urd's Verdict. Oh, nice. I got all the Goddess cards now. Magical Meltdown. And Ocean Window. Goddess Verdun's Guidance. Cyber Dark Impact. Valkyrie Drita. Neospatian Flare Scarab. And Forbidden Trapezoid. I can't pronounce that. Just don't want to make this video too long. Neospatian Glomos, Twilight Ninja Jogan, Strike Ninja, Valkyrie Drita, and another Dragon Knight. Oh, these are just... I can have a playset of those now. Urgent Ritual Art, Akashi Magician, Cyber Dark Impact. Oh, my back. Mist Valley, Apex Avion, and the Wind Witch. Ice Bell. Mermail Abyss Lead, Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo, Strike Ninja, White Dragon Ninja, and Ninjutsu Art of Mirage Transformation. Wait, was this all like ninjas? Well, besides the mermail, what's it called? Basically all ninjas on that one. Okay, Mermail Abyss Megalo, Helmet Hero Chaos Neos, Kashi Magician, Valkyrie Sweetie, and Outer Entity Azathal. Oh yeah, now I know which one I'm missing. I need the other Outer Entity one, the one which looks like from the cartoon from Ben 10. What was he called? Ghost Freak. Before this even came out, I was actually thinking of buying the Japanese versions because I didn't expect these to come out. So, okay, Armor Ninja Art of Rust Mist, Red Dragon Ninja, Ninja Grandmaster Hanzo, Advanced Dark, and wait. Oh yes, this is a good card. Sorry, Mischief of the Time Goddess. Cool, I got this one as well. Basically, one box and I got almost all of the cards I need. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome. I'm just 2 cards away from getting everything I need, at least for my collection. Let's see if I get lucky enough. Goddess Verdance Guidance, Mistral Apex Avion, Ninjutsu Art Super Transformation, Urgent Ritual Art, and then Ninjutsu Art of Mirage Transformation. Okay, last 3 packs. Oh, from this box at least. So, Valkyrie Erste, Elementary Magma Neos, Magical Meltdown, Mermail Abyss, and Outer End Azathal. No, come on. Oh, I actually know which ones are missing now. I need the other entity, and I need I forgot what's it called. Advanced Dark. I think that was the most expensive card in this set. Yeah. Ninjutsu Art Super Transformation, Omega Summon, Magical Meltdown, and El Shadow Window. No. So, last pack from this box. So please give me the outer entity or the other card I need. One of those both, please. Armor Ninjutsu Art of Rust Mist, Mermail Abyss Lead, Ninjutsu Art of Transformation, Vision Hero Trinity, and Twin Twisters. Well, okay, I'll take it. Okay, so yeah, I got a lot of cool cards. There's still a second box to go, but I'm not gonna do it on this video. One Ash Blossom, that's cool. So if you want to see me opening the second, just go to the next, find the second part of this, of the next video, sorry, just if you want to see the other one. I haven't done a video for a very long time, so just a little bit rusty here. So yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.